Because you're now a collector.
Welcome to Pure Octane Garage.
We bring you detailing information.
And other automotive goodness. I'm Ryan.
Brandon over here on this side.
Hey.
Tools today.
Yes.
Some detailing tools.
Well, it's more of a long quest to replace these canned cleaning air dusters, you know, that you use on your computer keyboard. Well, you know, I want to clean the vents in my car or the center console or whatever.
Yeah, you're right. The center console, all that trim likes to collect little bits of whatever, dust, skin.
And the vacuum doesn't quite get it. You want to kind of blow it out of there or
vents,
whatever.
Like you said, vents.
But these things, we were just talking about, these old cans of air, the dusters, they only work for a short burst and then they get too cold.
Yeah, you got to wait.
And they're expensive and they're full of chemicals.
And if you accidentally tilt it and spray something, you could damage things.
Yeah,
right?
So I've been on a quest to buy a mechanical version of that. And I've got 3 of them here.
I'm going to cost you some money.
Exactly.
See, it even made the like.
It's
like
already too cold now. But so my quest was to find a mechanical duster, and I found 3, and they all work well in their own way.
Okay.
I just want to go through these real quick, and then we'll show as
we talk. We'll show them in work.
But the first one I got about a year ago, Brandon.
KMM.
And it's more of a small mini vacuum, which is nice for the center console, to get the Cheerios out or whatever your the Doritos or French fries.
Your snacks.
But and I didn't quite understand when I bought it. And it works good, and it's easy to empty and everything. But there's an attachment, and as you can see, there's an attachment. You hook it to the backside, and that's the blower. But it's not very strong.
Gotcha. More designed as a vac.
So, exactly.
Okay.
It's a multi-function vacuum cleaner. But we just want to show you what came in the box here real quick. You've got a series of accessories with it. Let me grab this.
Put everything back here a little bit.
So it came with a charging cable, a series of brushes. Here, I'll just show you this. So here we go. We've got little brushes. This is great for getting in your vents or the little cracks.
Nice little brush.
And then, of course, you've got
your crevasse tool
to get down along the edge of the console and the seat, or in the back, the seat.
You know also how it works good? Where's the seat belt sometimes comes out of the seat?
Exactly.
Yeah,
so you've got that. You've got a series of even little tiny brush. Now this goes on the back of it, and this is the nozzle for the duster part.
The blowing ability.
That was my quest was for this, and it even came with a little soft bristle brush.
So that fits back here?
So we'll show, yeah. Okay. So again, this is the vacuum end, and this is the duster, the blower end.
I have to say, that looks like
it fits right in there, so.
The design cracks me.
So, as you can see, I was like, well, that's nice, but it's really not very powerful. Here, check this out. It's 1 speed.
Yeah, it's pretty weak.
It's pretty light duty.
That's cute, right?
But it is nice. The vacuum has a little light.
I see a filter in there. It does look like a toy.
And it is easy to clean. It just unscrews and comes apart. Very, very simple. Yes, easy to clean. And quit laughing at me. But anyway, so this did not fulfill my quest, but it is a good little tool.
It does work for what it vacs.
I've actually been using it to suck the Dorito crumbs out of my computer keyboard.
Nice.
So, actually, I don't eat Doritos, but anyway.
Yeah, don't eat at your computer.
The next one I bought, which is a really, really good one, and it came with all kinds of cool accessories.
This is a brand we're familiar with. You've bought quite a few of fuel. Octane fuel. No, quite a few of their tools.
Yeah, right? Tire inflator, really good. Been working great for almost 2 years.
Yeah,
love it.
That video's up here.
Let's see, what else do I have from them? I've got a small screwdriver set.
Yeah, I see a lot of their
and
stuff.
And I even have a small handheld drill set. It's a NEX B8 Ace. Fanttik.
Okay.
I don't know if I said that right, but again, big fan of Fanttik products. They've been great.
Next base. I don't know.
So I'm going to open this up.
The packaging's a little more...
It's more premium.
Yeah.
I don't know if you can see that. Probably not, but
Got the
I'll show you.
Nice dense foam.
You know, your instructions, but here, I don't want to spill it out, but it's well packaged. So this, real quick, you got your charging cable. What else here? I'm going to go through this
full unit.
You've got the unit itself. Now this is not a vac. It is a
strictly
duster.
a duster slash blower.
It's a blower. Yeah, exactly. Now it's not something you're going to go around and dry your car with. It's not that type of blower.
What about a hair dryer?
No,
okay,
not even that. But it'll dust good.
Okay.
Much more powerful than the other one.
It's like a duster.
So yes.
Dodge duster? No. No.
Not quite.
Can you dust your Dodge?
It doesn't have bucket seats.
We can dust the Dodge in a minute.
The Dodge over there. Actually, we'll show you. But it came with a set of accessories as well. Little
wow, those are tiny.
Yeah.
Just a direct flow, I guess, right?
Yes, correct. And they
how do they go on?
See,
there's a lot of pieces.
There are a lot of bits and pieces. You've got this little cone here, and it goes in on this side.
Fan side.
So you match.
Oh, those little dots. I got you. Is it magnetic?
You match dots, and you turn and click, and it locks.
Gotcha.
So, and...
Why don't you go shooting off? Oh, it lights up, too.
Yeah, you got a light. 2-speed. This one's 2-speed. Now tell me, we got hurt my ears? Oh, wow. Oh, sorry, I hit your mic.
That's
sorry,
okay.
Guys.
That's working. Hey, by the way, that works.
What, so, and then the little accessories also have a little lock.
Click lock?
Yeah, so.
Oh, I heard the pitch change. You know what that's good for? You don't want to hear this. Cleaning out your navel. No, just kidding.
What? No, that's a good tip.
I don't know how I know that. I don't own one of these, but.
Do you want to? We can demo.
Yeah, they don't want to see that.
We don't want to do that.
Instantly negative views.
But so, anyways, this little soft. It's actually not that soft. It's a little bit of a stiff bristle.
Yes, it is.
But it's worked really good in the vehicle vents.
Okay.
This one has worked good for me.
Don't use that on the.
Feel that.
Yes, it does. I wouldn't use it on any shiny black plastic you have in your car based on that feel.
No, and
I hate that stuff anyways.
Really but this is more for, like, you know, those crevices and the vents. And it works great. The latest one and this one fulfills the duster. And Brandon, you said you're gonna try to.
Yeah, I'll go for it.
Check this out.
I see it's an Audi S7 Violent fan. Audi S7. No.
It's a Violent fan, and this thing is violent. In a good way.
You know what it looks like from the picture? It looks like you could, like, a nail gun. Shoot some, like, finish nails or something.
Yeah, it does look like a sci-fi weapon of some sort.
Okay, I'm going to try to say this. Fjloueim?
I'm not going to. I'm not going to.
Fjloueim? Audi S7.
I just like Violent fan.
Yeah, you can't beat Violent fan. Fjloueim.
Yeah. Well,
did you get the violent fan out? Get the violent fan out.
Now the violent fan is simple, and it's violent. You get your instruction manual, you get your charging cable,
Okay. Yeah.
And then that's it.
You get your violent fan. No accessories.
And what's interesting is it has like 4 speeds, I believe. 4.
Oh. Wow.
Actually, Brandon.
Did you?
Here, check this out.
How did you find the violent fan? Was it an ad?
This one, it was actually a coworker had one.
Oh, okay.
And I went to get the one that he got, but it was no longer available. So I just found one that looked like it.
You have the new violent fan.
So I have no idea, really. We'll still link it.
Yeah.
You can use this like on inflatables.
Okay. Makes sense. Cool time. That's my favorite.
I don't soot blowing, but okay.
It says it blows and sucks.
Ultra high speed.
Strong winds. You can use it in strong winds.
But this is good stuff. This is quality video, guys.
It creates strong winds.
I was looking for
I need this.
I was looking for the RPM, the speed of the.
No, you just get what you get.
No.
It's brushless.
It's like ridiculous.
It's brushless. Ew, 130,000 RPMs.
There. 130,000 RPM.
Do you want to know each gear? First
Yes.
gear 30,000, second gear 50, third gear 70, and 90,000 RPMs in 4 gears, but it says 130.
It's very violent. But no, seriously,
Any of that's
guys,
crazy, yeah.
this is, I've seen it all over social media. Little handheld blowers, you know, like people are like clearing their driveway, all the leaves with like a handheld blower.
There's a lot of precautions.
Yeah, well, don't stick it in any orifices.
No, oh God.
I don't know why I said that.
Please avoid this product falling from low altitude or colliding with other items. Can you do that?
That's good advice.
Okay, in anything.
Don't collide with other items.
Yeah. When the product is abnormal, such as no wind, the motor is stuck. White smoke comes out, there's a burning smell, or there's a noise. In other cases, please stop using it immediately to avoid short circuit and fire.
Well, now you're just going to scare people.
I just love those.
But to start this bad boy up, you got to hold, there's a button on the back where you got your speed settings.
Gotcha.
You got to hold that.
I'm kind of scared. You said it's violent. I don't want to die.
Little blue lights come on.
No white smoke.
And then,
Holy, what
now,
the?
I don't want to,
Yeah, that's... whoa.
it's
What speed is that?
okay.
Were
so
you
we
on
got-
4?
We got low.
Okay.
Huh? Huh? I can feel it kicking.
There's kick? Whoa. Turbo mode. Okay, that's crazy.
So it's really good, and I've actually used this one to blow the water out of my like your mirrors, the tail lights, the trim.
Actually, yeah, that could be great
This
for
is-
small areas on
And
the
what's
vehicle.
nice about
Yeah.
this is it's
like that.
it's got some weight, but it's not super heavy. So-
Exactly.
But
I like
this
that.
one really blows the dust out of your vents, and
Ooh, blew the dust out of that car.
I don't know if you can hear that, but somebody's doing
Doing some
street
pulls.
drag racing or something.
Okay, so Ryan, 3 great tools, 2 of them similar with the blowing function, 1 of them with the vacuum function, right? And a little bit of a blowing function. And you enjoy using them all because you're now a collector.
So yeah, again, I like the violent fan.
That one the best? Is that the
because
last
of the
one you
name.
acquired?
It is. It
Okay,
is.
makes sense.
What I like about this is I can blow the after a wash, I can blow the water out of the mirrors and the trim.
Yeah.
Like a bigger.
Yeah, I'd stand there with a
dryer would
leaf
work.
blower or,
Exactly.
yeah, got a nice small handheld. I'd like to feel the weight. Oh, yeah.
The Fanttik one is just well built, feels really good. This one's worked good in not only in my car, but also for your electronics.
Yeah.
So
Dual
these
purpose
two
on
meet
these.
my quest. I'm very happy with that. This one again didn't meet my initial quest of replacing that duster,
Yeah.
but I do like the little vac on it. It's easy to use, simple to pick up.
Obviously a little bulkier because it's going to have the canister to hold
And
things.
it's just weird.
And yeah, it's a weird
But
shape.
It's been good. I can't complain. But so out of the 2 that I would recommend actually either of these or both of them.
I mean,
This one you could maybe keep for your electronics,
and keep the violent fan for the car.
yeah. Again, this one's a little more gentle for the interior, you know, your vents, but so as you can see, you know, pretty easy to use. All of them are easy
And
to use.
I found out you have a new passion for for handheld devices to clean out things.
That's right.
How many more can you find?
It's
It's endless.
a win-win-win. I get a wind.
I'm just impressed you
what I'm
found the
trying to
Fjloueim. I don't know what I'm saying. I don't know what I'm saying.
Visual.
And they might officially
It
have
ends with an M. I think you're saying it wrong.
They officially have my favorite instructions and warnings. So you guys went, and it's printed upside. Look, it's like
Yeah, it's
kind of fun.
goodness.
I like it. All right. With that,
So
blow them away.
yeah, thank you. Sorry for that clap, but okay. But yeah,
that-
so
Good products, helpful. Clean that dust out. Clean that water out if with the violent fan. Suck it up with the what was that? KMM.
yeah, that sounds good.
We'll link them below. All right, we appreciate you guys watching.
Yeah, thank you. Please like, subscribe.
Yeah, ring notification bell if you want more videos, and watch our wacky videos of reviewing things.
But
like
this
that.
one really blows the dust out of your vents, and
Ooh, blew the dust out of that car.
I don't know if you can hear that.